Mami Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TVGH so offer me Adjoa searching.
Unim say gold board Amagana Boka $214 million. Asem way make an answer mesre but unse toda the one Sammy Gyamfi I started gold board operations no more bonabaso. But me na me say boy no. Oni experience bia etoda e kasa tintin. Ena statement bia Sammy Gyamfi de beto abontin no. He only present revenue on presenting profit. Na obi anim say revenue there. Okokoton ade afanse wa to gold $2 million o Ghana. No akokoton na se obi a okoton na bia $3 million a. Oba beka say oh ya generate ya kan say $3 million revenue. Oh, meanwhile, we say the devil is in the detail. Ebi abeko no na ya make profit bia, but you can say revenue there. Revenue here like money you have in return. On the patch, it can be say you are running at a loss or having a profit. Enti Sammy Gyamfi was very smart. They be about you generated this revenue. Even me check a good board F4 statement and then pono will make a statement say they have generated $10 billion worth of revenue. But he doesn't state it say 10 billion no ebi ya boka and I say yenya profit until say IMF at the report by say a year gold board operations are why year no wa magana aboka $214 million. One will say be 3 months ni one will say government in penifo no will be a praise Sammy Gyamfi da. One will say Bank of Ghana ababontia be praise Sammy Gyamfi da. Charlie guy ne bomb car. And no bomb car no mind Ghana no boy car. Because when you now company and I say gold board no any then he be a hwekasa wakoto Range Rover kese edi mane ho eni nkrofo ne omu adwuma also what jewelry company gold board jewelry company akofa Joycelyn Dumas big celebrities eda wato kasa kese ma omo musika meanwhile so no yenya profit bia mfim enti me say no I am never surprised say we are running at a loss. This young guy has, run this company down and Ghana has been ditched in total loss. They say Sammy Gyamfi a boka Ghana ka. Ya boka $214 million. Wa boka Ghana ka. And we IMF na di abo. Masa. Tell catch you kasa tintin and top onko. Sammy Gyamfi oni experience bia wa brabom even o manage fence mobile money crampo no Sammy Gyamfi manage bi da. Inti abane say na utam Ghana good nyina de sheboy insa. Hwe ye ka wuntie no dabi na mbehu enne hwe
in. We go to the industry, so they can't fit in. So, and the educational system, I think we have to do a lot of reforms in our educational system. Other than that, I bet continue say yeah, you say yeah. About 4 years university, I bet no fee. What can you do? Aside book, can kind of run away. What can you do with your mind and your skill band while training as a result of your 4 years training? We not any skill, yeah. Therefore, you'll be rendered unemployed. Intermediate, my advocacy has always been that Yampani for a lot of reforms in our education, such that acquisition of skills will be our priority. Young man, youth for the skills, skill training. A boy economy be a money. Yanko China, Yanko Germany, Yanko US. Skill training. Such as young man, no skill. We should focus on their technical abilities and not, a friend is saying, the mental abilities. And all that we are doing in Ghana in our educational sector is focused on the youth, or more mental abilities. What do I say? But the technical abilities, a money per skill, I will be a school, or better than in Southern Nigeria, Kabuma, BB, Abuana. There is, it is none. And a TV at tonight, I'm fine. Me bought the previous government number. TV, you know. I think that is where I was a lot of our investment needs to go. So now you change your mindset, and your parents now for you change your mindset and say, and your university in Kwana or Kwa about my baby. Makwarano San Juma, Bibi Maninya Bibia Sabi. That whom I for only what or no about me. I had born who buying on here by Biamoa, and I shall run to your Muya POP, or Muya Charles, or Muya Apple Junior. Jessica Omoje. What does say?
taxes.
Crampo because the candidates do taxes. They
don't pay taxes.
What they don't pay? Uka says is now the cost.
Yes, almost friends square meter.
Square meter no.
Or yes, could be a 4-bedroom. Yeah,
Sika bedroom. It's about changing the perception. Say Sukuno and one university. There be that. Young focusing on the technical abilities of our youth. Bet me more Sanu Juma. A crowning real Sukua, or bet me a day. A bet me a BBI. Last year or so, senior high school placement in a buyer. It was surprising to note, say, technical schools, and they have and Koranu choose more.
KTI. KTI did not admission crowd.
But this Kennedy flag bearer, ye who be NPP. Ye who be NDC. Ye who be any political party. About 1 year kotuo. And you'll be an ebepe Baumia. And you'll be an ebepe Kennedy. And you'll be an ebepe Dubuahen. You'll be an ebepe Kufuo. You'll be an ebepe Kufuado. Ebi bepe bi before fro. Now, so man said that say 1 year the President Kufuor echo election omulusu ye bedina baby te say na na do no be ka say me na say ye de me ba na me na nanka me fata na de na manfa me amenti no me nko metete mo me say party no chale ye de nia me bi di agro ye de nia me bi di agro me say President Kufuor oni enkrofo bi na call say yan koto omoso aba man ti da say any of the aspirants here omni President Kufuor call any koka say me kwabena kunadu o se Kofi kunadu se mu MPP for ma nya dia me pa ma me a party no me nkometre metetem na mese no man ti bi da ya papa Kufuor on enkrofo bibre ne ko stand there 3 times they are on panel basamate me ho ana meboa nyenso wante da se obi gina simpie su ka se me se anya me no mebo abro me say all the fortunes of the party mantibida. Professor Mills of NDC, blessed memory. Only Krono bebre ne gina for primaries no. Now so man said that say one more new muko gina here where NDC muka say some man family and madam the Professor Mills called there. Me go NDC, best say NDC. Yanti be that. Until I see both sides of the aisle. This is the first time where yenya obi or person yato ne swaba. Now so party now or person yato ne swaba no woman ya Krono. This is the first time I hear Kotwaba. Na obi say yen twaba mano. Na so ni bi papa bi akafa party no say yen twaba mano no. Nyansen nim. Me akwesi apia metie bibi sa no nyansen nim mame. E ya bro ne beye na ye bi no. Now Dr. Baumia this time I will move back. Doctor, you see you and your professional team this time mujebaya mun komachi because here nye jumengu Captain Jimmy ekono numboka ne andane ade awie no eno ode tawro esen ni komu eno obegina ho say saglimeno ese so mo manipa kwotena ho emebunu chogboyi keep Satana send you from. Is it fixing the country? Is it fix the country alliance or BB? I'm so mudino no. Fixing the economic, they be fix the country party for being crofodi. Hey, I'm not Bruni now. Sorry. You got that glimmer, you got Sinaho, you better call ye young Grenadier, Yana so Ghana. Dear Yana say, youth na OT Captain Smart, you say Captain Jimmy no. OT no. Na junimu na ene say saglime ye dan bia ye wi a ubetumi akodam Enti Captain Smart is fighting for the youth. Or person mebunu na yenya baby dan yan kwada saglime no mo awie. In Shiran Kenya me. And Hassan Ayarega, aka Mr. Batman. Eka said debi. Na edifice ni yenwie. Ampa. Onyame ya adom. Ana mebunu na no mo mule di akire Captain Smart say ye kotene mo no. Ebi ko ho na emu say debi o. Na say dan no kura yenwie. Entokua ponim. Entokua windows po yanse say Ensio a ya benom ni area ho yentwe light yentwe a dime 5,000 no yesimu 640 eno de yemfa ni say no de se ye ka say ye plaster ho apinti a ye betumi de nipa kom. But the problem is say when we talk about settlement it's not just about the structure. There are certain social amenities as I say present day ne nipa tumi